Are you always looking for ways to be more efficient and productive in your daily life? Well, you're in luck because we have just the thing for you. Introducing Life Hacks, the ultimate methods, tricks, shortcuts, and strategies that can make your life easier and hassle-free. From speeding up your daily routine to reducing your sources of annoyance, life hacks have become an integral part of our online lives. In this first video, we'll be sharing 50 of our favorite tech tricks of the trade. You may be familiar with some of them, such as useful online tools and websites, and keyboard shortcuts. But trust us, there's always more to learn. Now, before we dive in, we want to let you know that some of these hacks may not work due to evolving technology. But don't worry, we'll do our best to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest life hacks. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your productivity to the next level with these amazing life hacks. Let's get started. Hash 1 in Microsoft Word. Highlight the phrase and press Shift plus F3 to quickly change the text's case, upper versus lower. All of the changes are in uppercase, with the first letter capitalized. Number 2, the Chrome extension TLDR can be used to quickly summarize online articles. The plugin provides you with a summary of the article so that you can decide whether or not you want to read the entire thing. Number 3, use Ctrl+CMD plus Shift plus T to reopen a browser tab that you accidentally closed. Number 4, use non-English characters on your keyboard to get a password that is hard to crack. Here are more Chrome extensions. Number 5, paste your article into Google Translate and listen to it to proofread a lengthy essay. This makes it easier to spot errors, and the tool itself can assist you in finding even small typos. Number 6, pass your writing or document through after the deadline to get rid of typos, grammar errors, and writing style advice. Number 7, when your PowerPoint presentation is saved in PPS rather than PPT, when you open it, it goes into slideshow mode. Hash 8, want to get your phone charged up faster? Change it to airplane mode. Supervisor's note. This was the subject of a brief experiment, and although the difference was only 3 minutes, it is technically still faster. Hash 9, use iwantmyname.com to see how much a domain name costs across multiple TLDs. Hash 10, your iPhone can be of assistance. To achieve a well-balanced hang, open the Measure app, tap level, and lay your phone flat against the surface. Hash 11, are you looking for a quick method to unfreeze a phone that has frozen? Plug it into its charger. Number 12, the spacebar can be used to scroll down a web page. You can scroll back up by combining the spacebar and shift keys. Hash 13, attach bread clips to each power cord or cable, and then mark the clips with a marker or pen to indicate which cable they belong to. Hash 14, keep a list of your credit card company's phone numbers or hotlines so you can quickly cancel your cards if you lose your wallet or phone. This can be done in an email or on paper. Hash 15, just in case something happens, put some cash for an emergency somewhere between your phone and its case. Hash 16, does someone require your iPhone to be used for a call? To make the call, use Siri from the lock screen. This way, the person can't use any other app on your phone. Hash 17, have you received a second call from a telemarketer? To quickly silence the ringer, press the volume down button. Hash 18, Google.com is not your best search partner for college assignments. Instead, use scholar.google.com. To find copies that can be downloaded, try adding PDF. Hash 19, laptop batteries can last longer if charged only to 80%, as opposed to 100%. Number 20, in the event that you can't recall the title of a tune yet you know the song or verses to it, murmur, sing it on Madomi to get the title. Number 21. For lower prices, shop in incognito mode or clear cookies before booking hotels or flights online. Hash 22, video game soundtracks are the best background music for working with minimal interruption. Hash 23, do you wish to play Tetris on a Mac? Enter Emacs into the terminal window. Enter Tetris by pressing the ESC and X keys. To move and rotate your Tetris blocks, use the arrow keys. Number 24. Add solved to sort through the results to find a solution to one of your numerous computer troubleshooting issues. Hash 25, use SelfControl to obstruct informal organization destinations for a while. Cool app with a funny name. Number 26. Turn on the mono audio option on your phone so that when you share your headphones with a friend, there will be an equal split of the sound. Hash 27. Use Lozo to find coupons for the essentials at a discount and save money on your grocery bill. Hash 28. Saving a Succeed document as an XLSB will recoil the size significantly or 75%. Hash 29. Is there a person whose incessant morning alarm keeps going off but they refuse to get up and turn it off? Call the telephone to switch it off for them. Hash 30. If a product you bought on Amazon drops in price within 7 days and you want a refund for the difference. Number 31. To forestall sending messages to some unacceptable individual, compose your email first, and compose your beneficiary last. Number 32. If your printer is out of black ink, use number 010101, which is 99% gray, as the font color. Number 33. A video game soundtrack is the best kind of music to work to because it doesn't distract you from your focus. Hash 34. Are you stuck in a hotel without power? Look for a USB plug on the TV. Hash 36. Do you still have an old cassette case? Try not to throw it out, use it as a holder or represent your cell phone. Hash 37. Is there a quick way to make a GIF from a YouTube video? Add GIF later www and prior to YouTube in the video's URL. Number 38. To glue duplicated text without the organizing, use CMD, Control plus Shift plus V. Hash 39. In Chrome, click CMD, Control plus Shift plus Del to rapidly get to the unmistakable perusing information window. Hash 40. You can search for site to find practice tests for an upcoming exam. Ado, subject, examination. Hash 41. Unable to watch videos on YouTube that have been restricted in age but do not wish to sign in. In the URL, erase the watch V equals and supplant it with V. Hash 42. Paste the website's URL into Google Translate as a proxy to get around a school or office block on a website. Number 43. To determine whether the earphones are on the left or right side, tie a small knot on either side. Number 44. To remove the final number from the iPhone calculator app, swipe left or right. Number 45. To avoid being surprised by sudden traffic congestion, set Google alerts for the stadium or hall that hosts public venues if you live nearby. Number 46. To make things easier to find, take pictures of important notices, receipts, invitations, business cards, and shopping lists. Your paper trail will never be lost again. Number 47. In the event that you want to recall the ideal opportunity for something, settle on a missed decision to any number to get a extremely exact timestamp. Hash 48. Do you want to surprise someone at the airport but are unsure of their flight number or arrival time? Find out which airline they are flying with and from, such as Singapore Airlines London to Singapore. You will receive all relevant data. Number 49. Make important lists like your schedule, events, shopping list, and errands your phone's wallpaper. Number 50. On a Mac, pressing Shift plus volume up or down emits a sound that indicates the volume's intensity. Do you have any additional tech life hacks you'd like to share with us? Please let us know in the comments section. And there you have it, 50 of our top tech tricks of the trade. We hope you found some new ways to improve your daily routine and make your life easier. Remember, life hacks are all about finding creative solutions to everyday problems, so don't be afraid to experiment and come up with your own hacks. Who knows, you might just discover the next big thing. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next part of our series, where we'll be sharing even more amazing tech life hacks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next video.